Okay, you need your material, a marker, some scrap pieces of cardboard, your hole punch, your convex tool, concave tool, your anvil, post and stud, cap and socket, measuring tape and hammer, and a cutting board. You want to make sure your surface is good. Measure, mark, and you put your cardboard underneath your material for a cleaner cut hole. Tap a few times, give it a little twist. There you go, there's your hole. And your anvil side, riveted side up. And you're going to take your post and put it on the anvil. Double check which direction you want your button facing before you lay this on there. Okay, lay it on there good. Flatten around a little bit. Place the stud on top. Make sure it's nice and flat. Use your concave tool. You want it up and down. And give it a couple of good whacks. And then I go around a little bit just to make sure it's sealed all the way down. And double check it. Use your fingers. And give it a couple more whacks on the anvil if it's not quite right. Now flip to the flat side and put your scrap material on here so it doesn't scratch the surface of your cap. And make sure you check your direction again. And lay it on there. Make sure it goes all the way through the hole. And double check the direction of your socket. Now you take your convex tool and you lay it right in the center. You want it to go right into the bottom of that cap. You want that one to stay straight. Don't wiggle this one around, straight up. A few taps. There you have it. Double check it and make sure it's good. If not, you'll want to apply your convex tool again. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video.